With summer inching closer, Memorial Day weekend looks to be the unofficial start of the season, from shopping for discounts to people getting out and grilling.
Like a family barbecue, and it happens to fall on Memorial Day. So
Yeah.
yeah, hopefully the weather will be nice, and then coming here to GlassFest because there's a lot of cool stuff happening.
And some just visiting relatives.
After church on Sunday, we're heading down into the endless mountains of Pennsylvania and going to a memorial celebration there for our family.
The holiday weekend presents a chance for everyone to get in on some early summer travel, some having already started.
We're visiting from California. Our granddaughter graduated from the University of Rochester, so we've done everything to visit all this week, so we just came up to visit Coney.
Thank you. Here in the southern tier, there will be plenty of events to mark the holiday. In Elmira on Monday, float parades will be coming up and down the street for the celebration of the annual Memorial Day Parade. AAA projects that around 38 million people will be traveling by car this weekend. And as more and more people plan to kick off the unofficial start to summer, AAA estimates more than 3 million air travelers for Memorial Day weekend, with all types of travel, including buses and trains, seeing an over 20% increase in riders compared to 2022. Dante Brown, Big Fox News, Corning.